chapter 10, adjectives. Okay, so we all know adjectives. What are adjectives? They are, in simple words, we can say they are describing words. What do adjectives describe? Adjective, it describes what? A noun or a pronoun. And we use adjectives to say what a noun is like, okay, or what a noun is like or seems like. For example, adjective can give us a lot of information about the quality of a person or thing, age, shape, size, temperature, color, origin. So all these things adjective tells us about. So adjectives, what is the word order of adjective? Okay, if all these adjectives come in one sentence, then what will be the word order of the adjective? Adjectives, the usual order is, first comes the quality. So quality, it can be beautiful. Okay, then comes the size, age and shape. Remember, as it is written here, first it is size, then it is age, and then comes the shape. For it, after that is color. Color, okay, here it is given brown. Origin, it is Indian, it can be Chinese, it can be Japanese. Then the past participle comes, and finally it is the noun. Okay, now see here, it is to be noted that generally qualities go before particular what? Qualities. That qualities go before particular qualities, as I said. Okay, so the name, the more particular the quality, the closer the adjective is to the noun. Okay, see here, example is, a noun may be of one word. Noun, it can be of one word. For example, a table. A noun, it can be of two words. A kitchen table, isn't it? Then it can also be of three words. A marble kitchen table. So here, see the third example, a marble kitchen table. So here, where there are three words, okay, whenever a sentence, it has three words. Material, marble. It precedes what? The purpose or use. Okay, use. For example, a cotton summer dress. A cotton summer dress. First comes what? Material, that is cotton. And then comes what? Summer dress. In the same manner as it is given. Noun, it can be of one word, two word or three words. Suppose if there are a noun, okay, in a sentence, a noun, there are three words. Then which one comes first? The material comes ahead. Then next is adjectival past participle. This is usually placed closest to the noun. It is placed what? Closest to the noun. See the example. Number 3 comes the origin. The table that we had seen. We are going in detail with the table itself. A nationality word indicating origin or an adjective referring to a historical period. Okay. Example, ancient usually precedes an adjectival past participle. That means it is written before what? The past participle. See here. Handmade coat, isn't it? Handmade coat. So here, an Indian handmade coat. A Japanese machine made cotton towel. Japanese. Wherever what comes, where we are talking about the origin, the nationality, then it comes ahead of the past participle. Next is, you can see, next comes what? Number 4, size, shape, age, shape, temperature and flavors, etc. So whenever we are having all these things in one sentence, then what comes first? Size generally precedes what? Age, shape, etc. So whenever we have all these things, adjectives, what? Describing the size, shape, age temperature and flavor. Then what comes first? First we write down the size. See, for example, a large old round table. Okay, old shape is round, isn't it? And then comes the table. So here what comes first? The size comes first. Next is number 5, quality. Okay, in quality you will find adjectives expressing one general opinion of the what? Quality of people or thing. In quality it comes. That is a beautiful public garden. Beautiful. Next is a cheap Indian restaurant. So what comes? Cheap. It is telling us about what? The quality. Next is whenever there is a modification with great, big or little, then what happens? The adjectives big and great generally precedes what? It precedes the quality. See in the example, it precedes the quality. Quality is tall, isn't it? So what has come? Big is before that. As I said, whenever we are having great or big, then it is preceded. Okay, it precedes what? The quality. So here big is coming before the quality of the policeman. Then little, while little it generally comes after. Okay, so here what kind of a hat? What is the quality? Nice. So whenever adjective little is mentioned, it comes after the what? Quality. Quality here is nice. So here little is written after it. Okay.